this is an unboxing for the Fab Fit Fun Fall box. Fab Fit Fun is a subscription box that is quarterly, so you get stuff each season. You get all kinds of stuff. You don't really know what you'll get. And it's all different categories of things, so it's not like a specific beauty or home goods. I just pulled out a bag that looks like dryer balls to me, which is very exciting. If you were on my, or watched my Mighty Nest unboxing with Nimmer, you would have heard all about dryer balls.
That is what they are. That's what the bag on the outside says.
I can't untie them because I don't have nails. Let's see. Oh, maybe. This is my nice videographer, Debbie, who also has a video on my channel.
Yes. And Percy, who's making himself seen on the side.
Yeah. So this is we talked about him too. These are really nice.
They look like they might be wool. They're white, about baseball size.
Yeah.
And it came in a 3-pack.
Yeah, these are nice. They're round. I've seen some that are kind of like oval shaped. So these ones are nice and round, and they come in a nice bag, which is nice because I've seen some you gotta like just figure out where, you know, keep track of them yourself. So this is nice. Oh, is this where it says that?
Yeah, the outside has writing. It says dryer balls on it, and then it has some pictures, but I can't tell what they are.
You can feel the print on it though. Like not well enough to read it, but you can feel that something is printed there. So
pull this one.
Oh,
so it says
so it's upside down, guys.
To the market, 100% organic wool dryer balls, and then it looks ethically sourced, handmade in Nepal, and it looks like maybe like little sheep on grass, so and there's cute. 3 of them.
Oh, that's adorable. Okay, I'm in love with my little dryer ball bag. No, don't eat that. I'm gonna put it on the side. Hi. Yes, you're cute too. Hi, even though you're not a sheep. Okay, so this is a little box.
It's pink and white.
It's got a little dropper bottle. I'm gonna hand the box to Debbie.
It says it is a strawberry booster facial oil.
It doesn't smell like strawberries. I guess it kind of does, like in a weird.
It says soften. Let's see what else it says. It's in a pretty gold writing. Certified 100% vegan. Plant-powered natural skincare. Certified cruelty-free. That's all. A rich and nourishing facial oil. Strawberry Booster is a powerful skin softener that instantly hydrates and smooths. High in ellagic acid and omega fatty acids, it helps to soothe and condition dry or flaky skin.
It smells like strawberries in that way that, like, when you walk into, what's that juice place?
Oh, like Jamba Juice? Or?
Yeah, it smells like strawberries.
Okay.
But not like, oh, this smells like strawberry. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
In that weird way.
Got it.
I don't know if that makes sense.
Maybe like fake strawberry smell? Like the...
It's just kind of like, yeah, I don't
artificial strawberry, that's what I'm thinking.
So I'm opening this other box. I think this is perfume. It's in a very pretty bottle that is kind of...
It's a long handle.
Yeah. Kind of like a cone pyramid shape. Is that perfume?
Nail polish, maybe?
Oh, maybe.
You should be able to tell as soon as it smells.
I don't know. It doesn't really smell like anything. I'm gonna hand the box to Debbie, but it is a nice bottle.
It's called Unbutton No. 2, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna.
Oh, so not
Longwear Fluid Lip Gloss.
Oh.
Aha.
Wow, that's an elaborate bottle for
It is.
for lip gloss. I would have not guessed lip gloss.
No.
What color does this look like?
So it's almost a nude natural light pink.
Okay.
So probably I would say like fair skin kind of tone.
Okay.
Yeah. It's very light.
Okay. That seems like the kind of thing I would use. I don't like too crazy of colors.
No, me neither.
But wait, another box. Okay, this has a charger and some batteries and bubble wrap, just what I need for my move. What is this? It's got buttons. Is it a speaker?
Maybe. I don't think it opens anymore.
That's where the batteries go.
The box says it is cloudnola.com.
Okay.
Description. Oh, it's a block clock.
Oh dear. I'm dropping batteries, guys. I dropped the bubble wrap. Don't eat it.
It's not a sock. We should be good.
A clock?
Yes. In a block shape.
Okay. What? I don't need a clock, Fab Fit Fun, but what is the purpose of it?
It's digital. It's
Okay.
bright.
Well, okay. Well, so far, 3 out of 4 things are cool. It does look like a block though. It's wood.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Yeah, it does kind of look like a wooden block, I guess.
Yeah, it does.
Like a toy.
It's a white with maybe like a gray marbling to it.
It is
So,
kind of cute,
like, maybe-
I guess, like for a kid's room or
Or it'd be good for travel too. Like if it has an alarm. I don't know if it had an alarm on it.
yeah.
But
Well, it's got some buttons.
it's
on the bottom,
small
so.
for- It's small.
Yeah, it is. Like wooden block. You know, decor, like that kind of thing. But it's kind of funny. Okay. Here is a container. I'm going to open it in case it spills.
It is green tea and aloe natural body polish.
Okay.
The Lifestyle Company.
Okay, so that is that would be like a body scrub type thing, like exfoliator. It sounds like it smells really good. Let me see if I can. I hope there's a seal on this on the inside. Yeah, it smells really good. It smells really light and just neutral.
Those are good.
Yeah, you can smell it. Don't eat it. These
Thinks it's a toy.
No, it's not a toy. These look like they are a set.
Percy, leave it.
Here, I'll put it back in the
He thinks it's a toy. All right, so, it's shampoo and conditioner.
Oh, my favorite.
It's called Living Proof, and it says full shampoo, full conditioner, adds fullness and volume. They're each 8 ounces. I'll let you.
So Living Proof is actually a pretty expensive brand, I'm pretty sure. So I don't think I would have picked that on my own. It's kind of a very citrusy scent. Yeah, pretty citrusy. These are nice. Nice sizes too.
They are.
The bottles are kind of dusty. That's weird, but I don't know if that's just...
They have like a film on them.
Yeah. Maybe from being in the box, or maybe that's just the bottle. Weird bottles. We got 2 more things. Got a big long box and a flat box. And these, are kitchen stuff, it looks like. Silicone.
Oh, those are nice.
Yeah.
And a silicone mat.
But it's got, look at these like little hash marks.
Yeah, it's a white mat, and the little hash marks are like shades of bluish green teal color. It's actually really pretty.
That's really nice.
And then the spatulas have that same pattern on them.
I am always down for more kitchen stuff. It's actually a problem. I don't know how I'm going to pack my kitchen, guys. This.
Oh.
I don't know what this is. It's round. But.
It looks like an embroidery kit.
Oh, maybe I shouldn't open this bag.
It's got the hoop, and it has a it's from Craft Crush. Yeah, it's an embroidery.
Way above my skill set, guys.
Yeah, it's like an embroidery piece, and it's
flowers. Flowers.
It's flowers with a flip it the other way. There you go, and a butterfly. I mean, you could put it like in a frame for like a wall hanging or something, probably.
Assuming I am able to make it, which I'm not.
Yeah.
Do you know how to embroider?
I don't. I don't. It's one of those skills I never picked up.
Tell us in the comments if any of you know how to embroider.
It could be, here, let me see. Oh, yep, it is an embroidery kit. I was thinking maybe it was counted cross stitch, but it is embroidery.
Oh, yeah. Fab Fit Fun, you overestimate me. So, yeah, this is what Fab Fit Fun sends you. A lot of, you never really know what you're going to get. It's pretty exciting. Let's see. Did I miss anything? I don't think so. And then you get these, like freebie things sometimes.
Oh, like coupon cards?
Yeah. Which usually are, like, HelloFresh. I bet it's HelloFresh.
So we have a Bright Sellers.
Oh, not HelloFresh. I was wrong.
$60 gift card. I'm sure there's some for wine and stuff.
Oh.
It's probably one of those club things where you have to buy so much.
Yeah.
And then the other one is Taste Buds Love Us Daily Harvest. So it's a $40 off coupon. If you order, they have plant-based eating and drinks and stuff.
Yeah. Which I never sign up for, but, I'm sure somebody likes those things. Yeah. Fab Fit Fun is lots of fun. Because, like I said, I always like new kitchen stuff, shampoo and conditioner, and exfoliation stuff is always welcome in my shower. Dryer balls are useful to cut down on your laundry dryer sheet usage. That's environmentally friendly. Wow.
Stop.
So a lot of good things. So I will have the information if you're interested in signing up in the video description, and we will see you next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, Debbie.
You're welcome.
Thank you, puppies. Goodbye.